Hey, it's Tom from WPWithTom.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a backlink audit and remove toxic backlinks with SEMRush. So before we dive in, I just wanted to say that if you don't already have SEMRush, you can get it with my extended free trial at WPWithTom.com/SEMRush, and if you use that link, I really appreciate it because it helps me out and helps my channel. So I also wanted to mention that the main reason why you'd want to use this SEMRush backlink audit tool is because, for one, it's very accurate, but it also helps you get rid of many toxic or unwanted links. It also helps you find questionable ones as well. And toxic links can absolutely ruin your chances of ranking within search engines. So it's really important to remove them as they come up. Now in this example, I'm going to use my own website, WPWithTom.com, and I actually don't have any toxic links, but I'll show you where you'd want to go to remove them and to audit them within SEMRush here. So now let's dive into how the tool actually works. So within SEMRush, after you sign up for an account, you can go to where it says SEO Toolkit right here in the upper left, and then you want to search for where it says Backlink Audit right here on the left side. So to get started, this will load up, and we're just going to put in WPWithTom.com in this example. You'd probably want to put your own website or a client website. And then I'll click Start Backlink Audit. Here I'm going to just use the root domain in this case, and I'll just start Backlink Audit right here. And this is going to take a moment to go into effect. And now when this comes up, you can see right here it says 60 to 100 means the domain name is toxic, and 45 to 59 for that score, it's potentially toxic. So that's good to know, and you can refer back to this as we go through this, but remember, if you see orange or red, it's probably worth looking at that link. So if we just click OK, got it, it will then give you an overview of your actual profile here. So it says I have 72 referring domains. Overall toxic score is low. There was 442 backlinks analyzed, and I'm just going to go and click Go to Results right here. And now you can see that it says 100%, 72 non-toxic, the low score, and the same information we were just looking at pretty much. But you can see right here there's also 21 broken, 10 lost, 7 new. If we go into where it says audit itself, you can see that again it gives you this information about 60 to 100 being toxic and 45 to 59 being in this potentially toxic range. So right down here you can see that I actually have a few links, and these are broken links because I know this actual blog post doesn't exist anymore on my site. So let's just say I wanted to go over to Actions, and you can choose to keep it and whitelist it if you want. You can go to delete, and you can choose to disavow or to remove it. It's totally optional which one you want to use there, but just know that if you wanted to disavow, you can actually make a list of disavowed links and then upload it into the Google Search Console to disavow them. So if you wanted to, you could click disavow right here or remove. I'm just going to go and click remove right there. And if you needed to undo that, you could. I'm going to go and do the same one for this because I don't have that post anymore. I'm just going to go right over here, delete, and I'm just going to go and click remove again. So that's an example of how you could remove them. If you go over, you can see it says now your backlinks are in the remove list. There you can easily send removal requests to domain owners. So if I wanted to, I can go over here and then click on send and request that they remove that link, and just hit send to proceed once you're happy with how this email looks right here. Another thing you can do is go over to disavow, and we haven't added anything to this yet, but once you create a list of disavowed links, you would be able to export that list over, and then we can go and use the Google Disavow tool. So there's a link to it right here. Now once we have a list of these spammy backlinks that we want to get rid of, we can go over to this link right here or the Google Disavow tool right here with the Search Console. And if we go back over here, I just want to point out that it says you need to create a list, and it will automatically do this with the export one. And then we're going to go over to the actual site over here, and we're going to put in the domain name. I'm actually going to blur this one out right here for this domain name, but you're going to need to put that in from the list. And basically you would simply just go and click disavow links and then upload the list. And it says right here it can take a few weeks for Google to process the information that you upload. So just be aware of that. But that is a quick and easy way to disavow links that you don't want linking to your website, and it makes the process so easy with this SEMRush tool. So overall, this backlink audit tool is a phenomenal one when it comes to cleaning up your website's link profile, and one that I highly recommend trying out for yourself if you haven't done it already and you're worried about potentially spammy links ruining your rankings. So again, if you want to use my extended free trial, I'll have a link below, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this backlink audit video on how to remove toxic links. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for viewing, and have a good one.